Today's mission, survive a 12-hour sleeper train from Wuhan to Beijing. Let's do this. It's cheap, it's iconic, it's a bit like a moving hostel, but with more snoring.
First rule, if you're over 5'8", good luck. This bunk was definitely designed by a person who's never met a tall person. Pro tip, stock up on instant noodles. The dining car's food is an adventure. And by adventure, I mean, will this taste like regret? But honestly, there's something magical about this. Watching China fly by during the day, strangers becoming temporary roommates. It's old school travel at its best.
Beijing, I made it. I only got kicked twice in the train, but yeah, I made it here finally.